On June 2, 2003, 18-year-old Kimberly Wetherell was admitted to HIMA Hospital for labor induction. At 8:15 a.m., the fetal monitor flatlined. The baby's heart rate was dangerously low, a cord prolapse. Kimberly signed the C-section consent immediately, expecting to be rushed into surgery within minutes. But minutes turned into hours. Kimberly waited in the labor room for over 100 minutes. Her physician, Dr. Serrano, didn't call for an emergency. He waited for routine lab results to return. This delay led to a high-stakes medical malpractice suit against the hospital and the physician. The plaintiffs alleged negligence, claiming the hospital failed to provide a timely emergency delivery. Stephanie was born with permanent brain damage. She now requires lifelong therapy for global developmental delays. The plaintiff had to prove the hospital breached the standard of care for an emergency C-section. Plaintiff's expert, Dr. Weisberg, testified the delay was excessive and directly caused the child's anoxia. Evidence showed the hospital lab processed routine tests while the baby was in distress. The defense's strongest argument came from Dr. Serrano himself. He took full responsibility for the timing. The smoking gun was the order sheet. Serrano labeled antibiotics as stat, but not the surgery. Because the doctor didn't order an emergency procedure, the hospital staff followed his non-urgent timeline. The court granted summary judgment for the hospital, dismissing them from the $5 million lawsuit. Judge Casellas ruled that the hospital isn't liable for a doctor's independent clinical choices. Since the nurses followed the doctor's specific, if flawed, orders, the hospital committed no breach. For practitioners, this case highlights the critical importance of physician-ordered documentation. If the doctor doesn't label it stat, the hospital's adherence to his timeline is your strongest shield, or a plaintiff's hardest hurdle.